Hi, my name is Jamie Volker, and welcome to this virtual back to school night. I am your child's Avid teacher this year. Avid means achievement via individual determination. I'm just going to use this video to go over just a few things that you may find helpful. First off, Avid, its main goal is to help kids get to college. That is the complete focus. There are some career vocational type of opportunities too, but it is kids who want to go to college. And there's three pillars essentially to how we help kids get to college, and it is vigorous academic instruction, which I will be delivering to your child and then other teachers in the content classes. Structured tutorial support, which means they will have time to process some things that are difficult in a very structured way, which will help them master that material. And then the 21st century skills development, which means all of these skills that maybe aren't explicitly taught, but end up being so very important. And that's basically the overarching idea behind Avid. It is what can be considered a hard class if organization is an obstacle, but we will certainly work on that. Organization. So most of what we're doing is in Schoology. Obviously, we're going to be starting virtually. I have tried very hard to organize things in what would make sense sequentially. So at the top is the syllabus. And then I have built resources that your child will be using probably through their all 4 years of Avid. This is really going to help with some of their skills as far as achieving academically. There is a lot of tech support in here for 21st century learning where kids may or may not know what to do. I think I'm going to learn some things from your children too. And you can look at some of the 21st century skills we're first going to work on is how to act, behave, speak properly in the virtual environment with Google Meet, Zoom, all the other things. So expectations are very high because your child has opted into this class to become a college-ready student, and it's in my job to help get them there, and I take that very seriously. On Tuesday, September 8th will be our first day. I will push out a Google Meet link on Schoology. We're just going to say hi. We're going to say hello. It's all going to be great. We're going to get through this together. Hopefully we'll be back in the building as soon as possible, depending on different situations and things out of my control. But I promise that I can do my very best in that environment to help your child achieve their goals. On Wednesday, there is a materials distribution day. There is nothing that your child needs to get from me that day, okay?